Welcome to aminacademy.com. In NIOS 10th Standard Mathematics, let us do inserting the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Here, look at this example. Find three rational numbers between half and a quarter. Here, the least number is quarter. First write it. And the second one is half. So, look at this denominator have 4 and 8. You have to make it, that is first 1 by 4 into 1 by 1 and 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 1 by 4 by, that is 1 by 4, here 2 by 4. Here you have to get it the value 1 and 2. So we have to expand this number. That means we have to increase. That means we can multiply 10 by 10 both sides. 1 by 4 into 10 by 10. Here 2 by 4, 10 by 10. Because we have to insert between this one, between these two numbers, we have to insert. That means we have to enlarge it. That means here, which is 10 by 40, here 20 by 40. That means 10 by 40 is 1 by 4 and 2 by 40, 20 by 40 is 1 by 2. So we can insert easily between these two numbers, which is equal maybe 11 by 40, 12 by 40, 13 by 40. These are three numbers, three rational numbers between these two numbers. Further we need more, means we have to multiply this with bigger numbers to get insertion of many rational numbers. This is the easier way. One more way is there, so we have to add them and divide by 2, get one number, and that number, what you got that number, plus add with the first number and divide by 2, get the second number. Like that procedure also you can follow, but it is easier way. Next, look at this. Find 5 rational numbers between 0.27 and 0.32. This decimal form is given. The lowest one is 0.27. This bigger, higher one is 0.32. Now, this 27 by 0.27 we can write as 27 by 100. Here, 32 by 100. Now, simply you can insert 5 rational numbers, but here 28, 29, 30, 31, but we need more further. Then further multiply by 2, that is 27 into 2 by 100 into 2. This side is 32 into 2, 100 into 2. So which gives, look at here 57 by 200 and this is 64 by 200. Then we can insert easily another 5 rational numbers between these. 57 in, we can change the color here, 58 by 200, 59 by 200, 60 by 200, 61 by 200 and 62 by 200. Like this we can insert. These are the 5 rational number between this 0.27 and 0.32. Now look at one more example. Around the decimal numbers for particular places. Here 0.78536 for 4 decimal places. Here after decimal, here look at it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 places are there. 5th place is 6, so it's more, 5 are more than 5, so add them 1 to previous. That is, it is equal to 4 decimal places 7, 8, 5, 4. Here 1.411413, 2 decimal places. Here 2 decimal places is 14. Next is 1 and next is 3. So we can leave these two things. So we have 1.14. 1.14 is 2 decimal places. Look at next one, 3.0693 for 1 decimal places. 1 decimal place is here 0. So 6 is more than 5 and 5 are more than 5. So add them 1. So which is 1 decimal place is 3.1. Here 2 decimal places there. Here 0.04. This 4. Next is 3. So this 9. Add them here 1. It's become 4. Still it's not more than 5. So that 2 decimal place is 0.04. 0.04. This is the 2 decimal places. Here what we have done so far is, here first we have to find the 3 rational numbers between the given 2 rational numbers. That means we have to enlarge the denominator by multiplying up and down by same number. Then we are getting 10 by 40, here 20 by 40. In between 10 and 20 we can insert 11 by 40, 12 by 40, 13 by 40. Here decimal place is given. We have to find 5 rational numbers between them, means we have to make it here rational number. 20.27 is 27 by 100, here 32 by 100. In between 27 and 32 still we need more places for 5 decimal place, 5 rational numbers. So multiply by 2, it becomes 27 into 2 is 54. 27 not 57, it is 54. So it is 27 by 2 is 54 by 100. Here 32 by into 2 is 64 by 200. Then in between them is we can write any decimal numbers. Even 55 by 200 also we can write, but it's enough. That is 55, 59, 60, 61, 62. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.